It's harvest time at our homestead, and I've just discovered that we could really use a new paring knife to cut vegetables. Now, if you want to learn how to make a paring knife, a fillet knife, or any flex-bladed knife in 30 minutes or less, from junk that's just laying around the shop, stick around. We'll help you get a handle on things. Whether you're an aspiring knife maker or someone who's just looking to learn some new skills to make you more self-sufficient, this quick project will help you get some hands-on experience. Today's project is a paring knife, but if a fillet knife suits you better, just change the shape of the blade a little. It's about the same process. First, we chose a piece of scrap lumber for our knife handle, and we cut it to size. Then made a slit about 2 inches deep to hold the blade. For the blade on this knife, we'll use a chunk of an old sawmill bandsaw blade. It's a spring steel material and will work well for our project. About 6 inches should do it. We'll clean up the cut ends. And we don't need the saw teeth anymore. And a little cleanup on the faces of the blade to remove any rust. Hey, if you could take just a second and hit that like and subscribe button, you wouldn't believe how much it helps our channel. We'd sure appreciate it. The blade slips easily into the slit we made in the handle. We'll fasten the handle on the blade with copper pins, so we mark the location of the holes. Here's some scrap 1/4 inch copper tube. We'll use this for the pins. We need 2 pieces. And they need to be deburred so they go in easy. With the blade inserted into the handle, we drill for the first pin. Be sure to have the first pin inserted when drilling for the second pin to maintain the alignment. We bevel the holes a little bit and then flare the pins on the arbor press to secure the blade to the handle. Shaping the blade is easily done on the belt grinder. First, we'll grind the excess blade flush with the handle. We make sure to keep our blade cool by dipping it in water frequently while we're doing our grinding. This helps to maintain the temper. It'll make the blade hold an edge better. We use a variety of grinders and belt sanders, but this project can surely be made with simpler tools. And as a bonus, the steel we're using on this project won't require any heat treating. Then we give the blade the shape we want. Once the blade is shaped, it's time to shape the handle. This is all personal preference, whatever shape you find comfortable. We use a Scotch Brite wheel on a grinder to burnish the handle smooth. You could also just hand sand it. A little more shaping to finish roughing out the knife edge. We'll sharpen the knife a bit later. Then preserve the handle with your favorite finish compound. We use butcher block conditioner. The knife is almost finished. Time to sharpen it. And then finish it on the leather strop belt. And there you have it. One kitchen paring knife, not made in China.